welcome in. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys had a great London session, great Asian session. Now we're off to New York, man. Off to New York. What's good, everyone? We got Motion in the chat today. Z Gamer is in the house. What up, Awareness? What's up, George? Buzzblab in the building. OGH in the house. What up, Gotta Trade? What's good? What's good? Dennis Hood. Dennis Hood in the building. What up, Wags? Trader Next Door is in the building. What's good? What's good? What up, Marcus? What's up, everybody? Stephen B is in the building. What up, Stephen B? Andrew, my man. What's good? What up? What up? Mod Squad in the house. Yes, sir. Fire Blaster, Yanosh in the build. Yanosh. What's up? How y'all doing? What up, C Melly? AB Mike in the building. What up, AB Mike? Dropout Trader in the house. Hey, Dropout Trader. Hey, don't sleep on Dropout Trader, man. My boy active. He's active. What's up, Stevie Mac? Oh, we got Motion here. What's up, Chris? What up, Sunboy90 Comedy in the building? Rapid Max. Good morning, Nikki. Good morning, Louis G. The top G. What up, Alexandros? Yo, yo. What's good, everyone? How y'all doing? YOLO Trader in the house. All right, let's get the day started here. Let me do a few things. All right. What up, Candle Slanger? What up, Crypto Banter? I like that name, Crypto Banter. All right. What's up, Purpose? Missed me on attendance today? Yeah, how'd you guys do during the London session? You guys do good or what? Yeah. What up, Mr. Lopez? All right, sorry guys, let me just finish one thing over here. Boom, let me send this out. This. All right, hey, if you guys are not in our free Discord, you can join the free Discord. Come on in. As you can see, everybody is making their way over to the live stream. Appreciate you guys posting this. How'd you guys do during the London session? Any good? Anything good? Gold sells. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I woke up at like 3 a.m. 3 a.m. my time. Man, yo, chat. You guys ever get a Charlie horse? Yo. 3 a.m. Charlie came and said, "What up, Nick?" Yeah, man. You guys ever get a Charlie horse? Lower the music? Yeah, we'll lower it a little bit. All right, cool. Yeah, so if you guys aren't in the free Discord, you guys can join. Yeah, it looks like some of you guys took gold sells. Nice, nice. Awesome. Beautiful. Oh, nice. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, let's get started here today. It is the 23rd here of May. It's a new day, new opportunity for us to be what? To be disciplined, to be patient, to wait for the right opportunities, and to strike when they come, right? So that's what we're going to do here today. What's a Charlie horse? Oh, man. You guys don't know what a Charlie horse is? Yo, a Charlie horse is when your calf muscle, like, tightens up. Sometimes it happens, like, after you like, stretch. Sometimes it happens when you're sleeping. Oh man, it was crazy. Tightens up real tight. But yeah, so anyway, today is a new day, man. We're gonna pray real quick. We're gonna get started. Let me pray for you guys first and foremost, and then we'll get the day going. Father in heaven, Lord, I pray for your people here today. I pray you bless them, Lord. I thank you for bringing them in here, Lord. Use me and whatever you have to do and say to reach their hearts, Lord. We thank you. I give you the glory for just having this position here, Lord, to be able to speak to people, to uplift people, to share my story, share my testimony, and hopes that it would impact and inspire others, Lord, to go out and do what you've called them to do. So I pray you lay that on their heart here today, and I pray you bless them and their family, and we give you all the glory for this time together. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen, amen. Amen. Yeah, what an honor. Let me lower the music just a little bit more. And yeah, we're good. All right, we're good. We're good. So let's go on and get the day started here, and let's see what we got going on today. So today is the 23rd again of May. It is Thursday. Looks like we have some unemployment claims coming in today. That music's still a little loud. Hold on. How about now? All right, now we should definitely be good. We're good? W's if we're good. There's a concert? Yo, I don't know why it's that loud. I promise, it's the same volume as every day. All right, cool. We're going to get started then. So yeah, anyway, so today is Thursday, right? So we got unemployment claims coming in here at 8:30. So we got to look out for that. We also have PMI coming in at 9:45 here today. So we'll just keep an eye out for those red folders. You know, unfortunately, these are times that we really like to take trades. So we'll see if we can get some direction here on gold, and you know, see if we can partake in some of the moves after the news comes out here. So that's pretty much it. You know, you got some yellow folders as we close up the stream later on today, and that's about it. So we should be pretty straightforward. We know we got unemployment claims coming in at 8:30. We know we have PMI at 9:45, and now we can just, you know, kind of move accordingly and follow price here. So let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis. Let me grab my tools here, and let's get started. Perfect. Hey, if you guys haven't gave the stream a like, give the stream a like as you settle in here today, and let's go over and see what we got going on. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame here. So weekly time frame has been moving up, right? We've been bullish for quite some time, and we're just kind of moving up now, right? You got this move up. We created support. We kind of had this resistance here. This after support was formed, price came up, retested that area, and now we're beginning to push back down, right? So in layman's terms, right, support, resistance, price created support, price moved up, closed above. It looks like we've kind of broken the highs, and now we're beginning to push back into the range. So we don't know if we're going to close back in the range yet. There's still basically a day and a half left on this weekly candle, right? But if it does close back within the range, then I would say, you know, next week we would be looking towards coming back down towards like 2280, kind of to you know, go ahead and fill these wicks and retest support there. So that's kind of like what we're looking at right now on the weekly. But all we know, this candle can easily flip bullish again, re-break the highs, and continue making, you know, new all-time highs here on gold. So we got to be ready for both. We won't have that information, excuse me, for another day or two. So today's Thursday. We won't have that information till the end of the day tomorrow. But as of right now, we did break the highs. We didn't really have much of a follow through, but we're beginning to pump down back into the range now. So let's take a look at the daily here, because the daily yesterday really pushed down. I mean, we were kind of expecting price to push down into like these levels over here, but you know, it did come down to support. Right, it did come down. We did tap into support. Now this daily candle's been basically driving down as well. So we don't know what this candle wants to do. It doesn't really have much of a top wick on it yet. So we could potentially see a top wick as price can come back into the range, right, and do close something like this here today, and you know, maybe tomorrow run back up, even run back up to these highs. Who knows? So that's what we got going on here with gold right now. We don't know if this candle wants to continue pushing down towards the next support, or if it wants to come back into range and do some sort of a fake out, right? So you either have targets down here towards like 2340, or you may see price come back up here after breaking the highs, you know, coming back into this area up here, like above 2400. So that's what we got going on here when it comes to gold's daily time frame. So I'm pretty bearish. There's a lot of bearish momentum here. We didn't really have enough buyers even in here to create a top wick yet, and we've been driving down. So let's see what happens. I mean, the destination for sells is going to be right down here at this support. So if you do re-break those lows, you should see a nice clean push that you know, that comes down into this range, taps in there, and then see what we want to do from there. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the 4 hour is doing. So we can see it tells me that the 4 hour is bullish here because we're pulling back up now. So if the 4 hour is bullish, let's see, where are we going, right? So we closed, yeah, so this was our support that we closed below. We kind of filled the wick at this point. There's still no top wick on this 4 hour candle here. So yeah, I think we need a pullback at this point now, right? If you didn't break that low or really begin to drive down and fill the wicks here, I think that there may be a pullback coming. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. 1 hour has been moving up, so you have this resistance here. We officially did close above, therefore you do have range coming up now, right? You've got range coming up towards like 2373, and then below this level you've got range coming down towards let's see this, towards like 2355, right? So if you get a closure back below something like this, then I think price is gonna start to head down on the 4 hour candle and begin to drive down like this, right? If not, if we continue to close above here, then you know, you may see price continue driving here. So let's see, 30-minute time frame, you haven't gotten a closure above there just yet. So I think if you do close above, then there's going to be some opportunities to take buys here, you know, especially up here. Like the fake out can happen anywhere here since we are very bearish, right? So I think buys are the best above 2373, which is gonna, and then we can target these levels up here. So yeah, that's what I'm going to pay attention to, and see what happens here. If we close back below, I think sells are still valid to continue down. If not, then yeah, we may start heading north here. So that's the day. That's the day. So I'll look to take sells below, what is it? Sells below, back below 2366, buys above 2373, and then there's even more sells below 2355 here. And that's it. That's the day. So we haven't had a 30-minute candle closure above that resistance just yet. We'll see if we can do it. Yeah, you have unemployment claims coming in, so that's coming in here at 8:30. What time is it now? 7:19, right? So 7:19. We still got over an hour before that news comes in, so we will we'll see what happens. See what happens, man. What up, Perez? What up, Ronnie? Ronnie or Roni? What up, Mike Goat? What's good? What's good? Is the music really loud? Hold on, let me put the stream on real quick. Let me hear it for myself. Hold on. I don't know, man. For some reason, when I try and click on the stream, it doesn't even let me in. Matrix. They're glitching, bro. Wow, I don't know how the music is still loud. All right, that's got to be good right there. That's got to be good. That's got to be good. What up, Xander? What's good? What's good? What up, Perez? What up? What up? DT Gamer in the house. Can you explain yesterday's trade? Yeah, which one? Which one? We took two yesterday. First one was a 945 gold sell, 15-minute time frame. Took a yo, that thing bled. Sold off. OD. The very next candle after our candle just gone. You guys seen that yesterday? Gold melted. Literally melted. Where was that? I think that was over here, right? No, 945. So remember we took a sell. I took a sell on this candle here, right? Went into some profit. Came up, dropped. It was a goner. And then yeah, so then the second trade I took was yesterday at this buy position. So this candle closed. So we came down, we filled the range here, right? This candle closed bullish, took a buy on the next candle up. Right here. Kept a super tight stop loss, and I closed at this 15-minute wick right there. Yeah. Yeah, some of you guys took that position too. It was another riskier trade, right? Going against this heavy move down. But, you know, at some point, if you fill the range, right, and you create a strong support, look at that. Look at the support form on the 30-minute time frame, right? Broke the low and then closed bullish, strong bullish at that. Next candle, fired off. Yeah, I had a pretty good exit too. I was paying attention to this wick over here and ended up closing it. Yeah, you had some stuff going on over here too, right in this range. Yeah, and then the first one was simple. That one was we had an idea that price wanted to move down, right? So we entered right here. Let me just grab this. Right, entry was sitting, I believe, where was it? Somewhere right here, right, on this candle. So entry was here, expecting the candle to drive down and fill the wick. We went a few pips in profit. Price turned around. Stops were sitting like right there, right? So stops got tapped, and then next candle just goner. She gone. I think a lot of you guys actually took that trade, right? W. Y'all stayed in the trade. I know. Once I got off stream, it was gone. It was gone. But yeah, I hope some of you guys hung in there and stayed in the trade and all that good stuff. Yeah, my stops were sitting above the highs here. Maybe I guess stops could have been sitting above there maybe, but hindsight's 2020. Yeah, it came up, nipped us out, and then goner. She gone. What's up, Xander? Hey, Futures Frank. Good morning. Good morning, Dominic. Yeah, that was a nice move, man. I guess the news that came out at 10 a.m. really, I'm not sure if that's what had the major effect here, but yeah. Yeah, let me just clone this. Yeah, buys above 2373 look pretty damn good. Pretty good. Yo, what up, Spence? Oh yeah, it could have been the earnings. Yep, I did see that come in. I lost heavily yesterday, my highest loss for the month. Thank God I didn't blow my account. Thank God. Yeah. It's okay to lose, you know, you just don't want to lose too heavy. You know, that was the main thing that hurt me a lot of times. I would lose heavy, man, heavy. Where a loss is okay, you know, it's it's not a bad thing, but you just want to make sure you know the price that you're paying in order to figure out if that, you know, actual move is going to work or not. You know what I mean? Like, you don't want to go too heavy and then regret it after, you know, after you have been stopped out. I used to do that all the time. It's like, why would I risk that much? You know what I mean? Like, what was the point? Like, that one loss just wiped me out, where I could have just taken a loss here today and probably got it back tomorrow. But, you know, these are things that we have to learn coming up in the game and figure out and go through and trial with and error with. And, you know, someone could have told me as much as they wanted to, man, don't over risk, don't over trade. But honestly, it wasn't until I really did it that, you know, I figured out how bad that hurts. Right? I was talking to, I forget who it was, but we were talking about, you know, the whole, like, putting the hand on the fire and whatnot. You know, it's like, you can tell them over and over, look, don't touch that, it's hot. But until they do it, like the other day, I just let Alea do it. All right, go ahead, you want to touch it, be my guest. Right? And then she learned, and, you know, she cried for a second or two and was upset and burned and hurt, but now she don't touch the stove anymore. Lesson learned. Right? Lesson learned. And what's even better is now she warns Maverick. She goes, Maverick, no. Right? No. But guess what? Maverick's most likely going to have to touch that stove too, man. Right? She could tell him no all she wants. Try and save him all she wants. Right? I can try and save you guys all I want and tell you about it and exemplify it. But, you know, sometimes you got to trial and error by your own. Hopefully we can cut it in half, right? That's the goal here, is that we can maybe come in and explain some things, and maybe you can get it in half the time that it would take you to get it, you know, without us. What's up, Susanna? What's good? What's good? Did anybody else take trades yesterday after the stream? It was just a massacre on gold here. Yeah, it was rough. Can you check charts for stream? Yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look at charts for stream. All right, let's see what we got here. So, price is pumping right from Asian session. There's a lot. What is this? NASDAQ. Okay. Price pumping from Asian. There's a lot of bullish pressure. Even daily. Okay. Come down. Retest. Okay. Came back up. Broke out of the range. Beautiful. Enter on the break of the highs. Secured previous. Okay. Nice. Nice. So you had a lot of bullish momentum. So basically what's happening here is you've got a lot of bullish volume pumping up here, right? So you've got all this bullish move here. And then, you know, when you get to the desk and you're sitting around these levels here, you're a bit too high at that point, right? So you want to wait for price to come down, right? I don't know what this was, but this may have been a decent trade too. But whatever, consolidated a little bit. Maybe we're not at the desk at that point, but then once you get that closure, now you know price has moved up, it's come down, right? It's created this support level, and now it's most likely ready to move back up. So waiting on that confirmation candle right there, which is that closure above the range. Notice how price was not able to make a big move until that closure came about, right? So you had an attempt here. These candles, like, obviously all tried to get up. Same thing as this one. And it wasn't until after you had an actual closure above the range that the big boy candle stepped in, right? So that's why we always look for these type of breakout ideas, because once price is now letting you know, right? So like right here in this consolidation, price is saying to you, I'm not ready. You know, I don't know which way to go. I'm not sure what to do. There's not enough volume to get me to my destination. Once this guy comes in and closes, he becomes the leader candle. He becomes the candle that says, all right, we've got the direction, we've got the roadmap, we know where we want to go. We want to go revisit our buddies up here, and now we're going to make our journey. So always waiting on those candles to close is extremely important, right? Because there's a lot of times where, you know, you may enter buys on all these random candles or sells here, and it's just not ready yet, right? It's not ready to go. And a lot of times those are those premature trades that kind of cost us a little bit, that had we stayed out of them, you know, at the end of every week or month, our P&L would look a little bit better, right? So that's a good trade, man. Good trade, great idea. And by the way, when it comes to volume, right, there's really 3 times that volume comes dumping into the market pretty heavily. Number one is during obvious like news events, right? Red folder news events, or even yellow folder news events. And then you also have session opens, right? Like the NY Open or the London Open. And then the third way really is when you get these breakouts, right? When you get a bunch of consolidation and then a breakout indicates that there's volume coming in. And, you know, I was thinking about that the other day, where it's like, I think we got a breakout at like 7 a.m. one day. And I was like, you know what, maybe I'll wait till NY Open. But at the end of the day, a breakout does indicate volume. So those are the real, like the 3 real times you'll see volume come in. And, you know, this example here just is perfect for that. So yeah, great trade, man. Great trade. NASDAQ, huh? All right, what else we got here? Gold sells. All right, gold sells here. So let's see, price came down, retraced, made new resistance, candle closed, no top wick. Which one? This one? Oh, over here. Is that, where are we, man? Are we over here? Are we over here? Or are we over here? I think we're over here, right? Booby trap candle, 15-minute. Setup printer, break. All right, cool. Yeah, that's a good trade. Yup. Come down to fill those wicks. Nice. Yeah, that was a nice trade there in London. I think that was the best move there in London. W. That's nice. Yeah, we got a 30-minute candle closure, right? So 30 closed. We're bullish here, but you know, not too excited about these buys just yet. We've also been moving up quite a bit here. W. What up, Dennis Hood? Yeah, for London sesh, I think this was amazing right here. This was what? Oh, this might have been Asian session though. 21, yeah. Yeah, see, chat, these are the impulse entries that I'm talking about. Like, you see how you're super bearish, right? Super bearish, and then you get this candle right here to close weak bullish, right? So you have a clean impulse entry at the break of that low right there. Right there. And look at that move, man. You know, it's like as maybe we would be waiting for this closure, you can be in on that once that 1 hour low breaks. Yeah, that's dirty. That's dirty. We got a 140 pip move there in London. Oh, damn. Was that over here? Let's measure it. Yeah, it looks like this one, huh? Maybe? Oh, pre-London. Yeah, this one. Yeah, Asian was selling off too last night. Asian and London both sold off here. So we'll see what New York's got for us, because the daily now is pumped down quite a bit here. Four hours moving bullish too. Yeah, I'm looking for, if we are still going to go bearish, I'm looking for a potential fake out here. Something like right around here where price fakes out back into the range, and then we can continue down. So we'll see what happens. You know, the 4 hours been running down for quite a bit here. So this candle may want to move bullish. So that may be out of the picture, but I think buys are best if we can get them above 23.73 here. Yeah, sells below 56 though are very clean. Very clean. Yo, what up, Mr. Mac? What's good? What's good? In case of a fake out, where would my entry be? My entry would be, so like, let's say that this candle does, like I'm gonna put fake out for sells here. So like, let's say this candle does close bear. That's gonna be like my opportunity here at 8 a.m. or NY open, where you get a bearish closure back in the range. My stops would be sitting somewhere above the highs here, and then looking to take this down towards like 55 here. It's like that. If you can get 48 out of NY open, that'd be great. But potentially, you know, something looking like this. Keep stops above the highs here. You have NY open. You wait for a top wick. Once you break your own low or break this low, it should be a goner. That's if we want to move south here, right? We may want to move up though, because again, the 4 hour candle has kind of filled this wick to the left, and we may close bullish here today. Still got an hour and a half for this closure. WC Melly, progress, progress. Yo, that meditation put you to sleep. Stephen B. Hold on, I've got to meditate so I can make money. As you're meditating, gold drives down 150 pips. No! Got to study trading. You're over here studying trading. Gold's driving like 100 pips. Yo, what up, Landon? What's good? Good to see you, man. Top of the AM. There's one more trade on gold. Oh, let's take a look. Discord. Okay, right here. All right, this was gold, 30-minute time frame. Price broke previous, right? Is this the one? Yeah, price broke. Yeah, right. Yeah, daily low, starting range, onion play, 30-minute. Yeah, man, perfect. Playbook setup here. Nice volume during pre-London. Yeah, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Nice job. Who else we got here? Took the same sell. My target was 140 pips. Yo, tradeaholic in the house. Okay. W. Nice, man. Yeah, great trades. Tradeaholic out here. Oh, someone called Asian sells. 30-minute fake out. Lovely. 1 hour close below resistance. Okay. Previous 4 hour have no bottom wick. All right, put sell stops in a candle with a love triggered. Beautiful. Yeah, that was a nice move, man. That was the move in Asian. Sheesh. Sheesh, that was a nice move. You don't expect crazy volume like that. Yeah, man. I love how y'all are all like, everyone's just taking the same trades, right? Same trade idea. That's how I know like everyone's getting more and more and more and more familiar with like the playbook, which is good. Playbook works, man. Playbook works. You know, you guys, we've tracked all of our, we've publicly tracked everything from last year, but you know, 3 years before that, this playbook had been working. You know, so we've been working this one for a while, and it's been incredible, and it's good to see a lot of other traders, you know, coming on, and you know, the system itself has kind of been out there for a bit. I just think, you know, we've just been able to kind of get it across a little bit better. So yeah, kudos to all you guys that are really understanding this, and most importantly, you know, feeling confident about having something to show up to the desk with every day, meaning like a system, a strategy, you know, something that you can actually believe in and stay consistent with. You know, that's the first sign of, you know, you becoming a successful trader, is you can actually stay consistent with a specific system, you know. So you got, a lot of you guys have got that now, and now it's just chart time. Chart time, chart time. Lots of chart time, man. Lots of chart time. And guess what? After you spend hours and hours in charting and showing up to the session every day and doing all that, guess what? You're still going to lose trades. Still going to lose trades. You will never get around it. It's only a matter of time. That's right, bro. That's right. What up, Alan Forex? That's good. Oh, the Don is in the house. The Don.
I'm the original Don Dada.
How you doing, the Don?
How you doing?
What's good? I impulsively bought 7 250Ks yesterday. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Who'd you get them with? My man getting to work. You going to work? W. How you doing? How you doing, JM?
How you doing?
Landon coming for it all out here, bro. Let's get it, man. Proud of you, bro. Wheeling and dealing. Coming for everything. Let's get it. Just be, as long as you just be a professional, everything will go smooth. Time is your edge, right? Time is your edge. I was chatting with Raja a little bit, asking him for some tips, you know, on taking this account from basically 10K up to about, trying to get it to like 100,000, you know, at some time next year, or the end of this year, or early next year. You know, there's really no set deadline on it, right? But you know, his main, out of everything we talked about, his main thing was, brother, time is your edge. You know, time is your edge. Just be professional. Don't over risk. Don't over trade. You know, the same things that we already know. Time is your edge, and just execute. So time is your edge. Do I have more little Mo? I might. I might. All right, we're coming back downtown. What's up, Alexander? Thank you, my friend. Yeah, and then he said, pay the fee. We're done here. Is it showing our playbook setup now? Yes. The only thing is, in order for us to say, well, it's finally here, it's arrived, we have to wait for the candle to close in 13 minutes and 25 seconds. But yeah, right now we should be, you know, getting ready. Planning your trade, right? This is when you want to plan your trade, right? So if I'm going to plan this trade here, how am I going to look at it? So if we can get the candle to close very similar. Now look, everything I'm going to say, if the candle closes something like this, just throw it out the window, right? It doesn't apply anymore. But if we can get the candle to close very similar to like what this looks like, then that's going to be perfect. So if that happens, what I'm going to do is I'm going to need to set up a few parameters here, right? So I'm going to need to set up a few things. And those few things are, number one, where is my stop loss going to go? So where's my stop going to go? So in this case scenario, I'm going to put my stop somewhere above these highs here, right? So just in case price doesn't go in our favor, if we break these highs, I don't want to be it anymore, because that tells me that we'll probably come up, close above here, and then retrace this whole move up here, right? So I don't want to be in it at that point. I'm going to keep my stop sitting above these highs. And so that's where my stop loss is going to be, right? So we got the stops. Now, where's the TP, right? Where are we targeting at this point? So in this case scenario, right, I'm going to target these lows down here. So this is going to be right around 23.55. This is my TP, right? This is ultimately where I want to see price get to if we are going to move down today. So I got my TP. I understand that. And now where is my advantage point, right? So this is a place on the chart where I feel like, just in case, like on our way to this target, is there any area in which we may struggle, right? And as I'm looking over here, I can see, you know, maybe this area right around here can play that part, right? You guys ever been on a plane and you experience turmoil, right? I mean, turmoil, what am I saying? Turmoil, bro. Turbulence, right? Have you ever experienced turbulence, right, in an airplane? Well, if you get this candle to close below and we do move down and we begin to head towards this destination, maybe right around here is where we can get some pressure, maybe some rejection. Like, if the trade is going to reject anywhere on our way down to this destination, where will it reject? And from my experience, probably right around here, right? So that's where I'm going to close my partials, right around that white line. Okay, so now that I got that, I understand I got my advantage point. And now the last and final thing is going to be my entry, right? And my entry is going to come after this candle closes and the next one opens. So that's going to be the last piece of the puzzle that I put together. Now that I have a plan for if price goes for me, right? And by the way, this may happen, but I'm trying to give you an example on how to plan your trade here, right? On any trade for that matter. So now let's say we do get activated into this position and price doesn't get to our destination, right? Our advantage point. So we don't get there and we begin to, let's say, pull back at that point, right? So now we need a plan for if price goes against us. So if price does go against us, we want to, as this candle, let's say we came down right into here, and then all of a sudden price begins to come back to break even. This is a point in which we can begin to either close everything, close half, or do whatever decision that we feel best to manage our risk, so we don't lose as much as we anticipated losing in the first place, right? So let's say price does kind of, let's say, do something like this. It comes down, right? We're all good. It's in profit. Everyone's pumped up. Yo, Nick, you're the best, man. You're an awesome trader, bro. Everything you touch turns to gold. And then price starts coming back up, and then we go towards break even, right? We need to have a plan, right? So now everyone's like, this guy sucks at trading, man. What? Every time I see him, he's in drawdown, right? So now we want to close half of our position or manage our risk, right? And then maybe even want to move our stops towards like a little bit lower, towards like above this high here, right? Because if we do break that high, you're most likely going to come up. So you can either do that, or let's say you wait for this candle here to close, right? And if you close below the range, you know, maybe you hang in the trade. If you close above it, you know, then that's where you can close your trade out as well. So let's say if you were risking, for example, 2% up here, and you get out of your trade right here, instead of risking 2%, maybe, you know, you only risk 1%. So that's kind of how you can manage your risk, or just an example on how you want to plan your trade, right? How you want to plan every trade for that matter. 5 minutes, 8 minutes before your ideal idea is going to pull up. That's where you want to begin to do this planning. Cool. Questions? Pay the fee. And then you pay the fee. How do I decide where the turbulence is? A lot of times what's going to happen is it's always going to be a point on the market, right? Like if you notice right here, you have a support. So because that support is there, that's most likely, if we reject anywhere in this example, that's most likely where it would be. So although I'm like, all right, perfect, everything looks clean coming down, I also want to dip left a little bit and just see, is there anything else that can hold this trade up from getting to my full destination? And in this scenario, you know, you've got this over here to the left. As you can see, price did push down, but we also rejected. So that's where a fresh candle could reject, and that's why that right there would be my advantage point. Make sense? Any questions? Yeah, and then by the way, so then your entry, so your entry now is like the last thing that you're going to come up with here, because that's the final piece of the puzzle, right? So let's say now you have all this in place, you already know what you're doing, you're ready to go, and now let's say the wick is like this, and let's just say that the next candle opens up, it rolls bearish really quick, and then comes up to make a top wick, and now it's coming back down, right? So I would not enter on the flip here. I would not enter on the current candle. I would enter on the previous candle's low, because there's not much of a difference between this low and this low. So why not get the better entry, right? Or the better confirmation of a previous low breaking before you enter the trade, because the flip doesn't really mean anything here. This candle could flip, right? And not do anything until it breaks that low. So in this case, my entry would be on the break of the previous candle low. Now let's say that this wick looks more like this, right? Now I can't enter on the previous candle low, right? Because that's a little too steep. I want to be a part of this. I want to be in the trade, right? I want to be a part of this move at that point. So therefore I'm going to enter on the break of the current candle low. So that's what I mean. Like, you really have to see how this candle closes, right? And how this one opens in order to, you know, dial in on the best entry you can get. So that's kind of the only thing that should be on spot is like that entry. Everything else should be predefined, so you don't have to think while you're in that trade. And then maybe in 5 minutes and 17 seconds, you can see an example of this. If we get the candle to close below. Big if. What if the candle wick down but still close bear above? Then I'm thinking that there may be a sellery play, like, but a bullish one, right? So if this candle closes above, then, you know, ideally, like what you may see at NY Open is a break of the high, and then price just begin to fly up like this. And I'd be open to that as well here today. But, you know, in order for me to trade in this zone, I'm gonna need volume here. I paid the fee. Yo, we're gonna get paid the fee on the soundboard. I got y'all, man. Pay the fee. W explanation. Yeah, man. This is a course, man. Every day you guys have the opportunity to come here and pick my brain. And some of y'all ask like questions like, "Hey, man, I don't know, man." Like if you ask good questions, you get good answers, right? So if it's a stream, whenever there's a stream full of really good questions, that's usually a extremely valuable stream because you guys just get me talking. You know what I mean? But like when you ask questions like, how do I do this on TradingView? I mean, that you can ask Google that. Nice talking to Sam yesterday. Sam the man. Mr. El Capital. How can you predict a fake out? So you can't predict it, but you can anticipate it, right? Based off of other information coming from the chart. So notice I have the potential fake out right here. Why? Well, there's a resistance here. We are pretty bearish here on the day, right? There's a potential for this 4-hour candle to have made its top wick and to start moving down, right? So if this is the top wick and we do start moving down, you can get indications by, okay, maybe this is where the fake out's going to be, somewhere in this level, because between here and here, to be honest, is not the greatest. It looks like some fake outish type of range here, right? So if you get a closure back below here after all these like weaker bullish candles, then that tells me that, hey, maybe this 4-hour candle has established its top wick and now it's ready to begin to move back down, right? So that's the idea, is until this candle closes bullish, I'm still pretty bearish on it. I'm still anticipating what will the 1 hour and the 30-minute do? How will it react to this 2366 range? And if we do close below, then there's a high chance, now that you're breaking the 1 hour lows, closing bearish, 30-minute closing bearish as well, there's a high chance that that's going to be the top of this 4-hour candle there. So a lot of that has to do with getting your bias and direction from the higher time frame. See how this candle did not close below? So price is still good to move up here. Until you actually get a closure below, I think price is still good to go up. What's a good discipline you did to stop overtrading? Thanks for your time. I would take a hammer. Every time I overtraded, I put my hand that I clicked the mouse on it. I take a steel, like a iron hammer, and I just whack every single finger until it broke. No, I'm just kidding, man. See, that's the thing. Like, I just looked at what overtrading was doing to me, right? And I looked at my bank account and I said, oh my God, wait, that's all I have left to try and figure this out. And that's what kept me disciplined. I looked over to the left, I see my wife, I seen there was a baby in her belly, and I said, well, that kid's gonna want to eat one day. And if I don't get discipline and stop this overtrading nonsense, then I'm not gonna be able to provide for my family. So it was just a matter of understanding what was important. All right, so you did close bearish above here. You did close bullish on the 1 hour. It looks like we have a celery play here, so I think I'm gonna have a buy stop on the break of these highs. Yeah, my stops are gonna be, so we didn't get the candle to close below, right? So we never got the candle to close below there, and therefore the sells are not valid according to price action yet, right? Until you get an actual closure back below here, then I don't think the sells are ready to go. And this 4 hour may want to juice up here. So I think that's the break of the 4 hour high as well. And yeah, I'm gonna have a buy stop there. Maybe I'll revisit these sells once we can get back below 66 here. Broke every finger. I would take a seller here. That's the only thing I would do. Seller play in this range. Let's do this. Yeah, current. I would probably use like current candle lows or just lows back in the range as my stop. And yeah, I think that's good. Buy stop. Yeah, so if we push up in this area, I'm gonna go long here. Buy stop. Overtrading, man. It's worse than breaking your fingers. Breaks your bank. Baby's gotta eat, man. Yeah, we do have news in 30. Yep, we have unemployment claims coming in here in 30 minutes. Yeah, also I realized that all the pros, they didn't overtrade. You know, and I knew if I wanted to be a pro, you know, overtrading was going to have to go. You know, as a hustler, as somebody ambitious, you know, there he is. As someone ambitious, hustler, you know, mentality, I thought, hey, we need to go, right? We need to trade in order to make. But, you know, in trading, that's just not the case. Johnny Gents, how you doing? What's up, brother? Oh, there you go.
Yo, good morning, my brother.
How you doing?
How you doing? What's poppin', bro?
Everything, man, everything.
How was your morning?
Amazing, bro. Amazing.
Nice, bro. Everything's popping, bro.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Chatty chat. Chat's
feeling blessed and grateful.
Today.
What's good, chat? What's poppin'? Happy Thursday. Damn, it's Thursday already?
I know. Hey, let me get some water. I'll be right back.
Yeah, what's good, chat? Happy Thursday. Another day, another opportunity to consistently follow our plan, consistently execute on our plan. Let's be patient. Let's be disciplined. Let's have a great day. Let's follow our rules. Let's follow our setups and entries. Stack those wins. Let's get it. All we're doing today is getting repetition. We're getting some reps in, right? On executing with our setup, being patient, being disciplined. Because the more we do it, the easier it will become, right? The more effortless it will be. So let's get them reps in. And yeah, be grateful for today. There's someone out there who is praying for the life that you have right now. So let's be grateful. What's goody? What's good, Green? What's good, Z Gamer? AB Mike? Elma Heidi, what up? What's good, Louis G? Xander, Buzzblab? Pablo, what's goody? PM Magnifico? What up? Good morning, Susanna. Hey, yo, beautiful celery here. 30-minute celery at 8 a.m., right? Lovely. See, the setups do come, chat. They do come. You just got to be patient for them. Hey, what's good, Landon? What's good, Grind Time Mustafa? KV? Wags, my brother, was goody. What's good, Dominic? Rapid Max. Let's get to it. Yeah, sorry if the volume's loud, yo. I gotta tell Nick to lower me. I just be bringing that energy. Might be. Let's go, Purpose.
Johnny Jen's coming in hot today.
I always come with
lit.
that energy.
Bring the energy. I went through it. I did it.
Yo, maybe lower my Zoom mic a little bit. If you can.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. Let's see if we can do it. What was it?
Sorry for anyone who has AirPods. My apologies.
All right, talk a little bit.
Mic check. Mic check.
Go ahead.
Yo, chat, let me know if that's better.
No, I'll let you know. Okay, keep talking.
Mic check, mic
Just
check.
talk to the people, man, and give them a message for today.
All right, let's give a message. Let's see. All right, y'all. So nothing in life is guaranteed, right? Life is pretty risky. But what's guaranteed is whatever you sow, you shall also reap. So if you sow good work, you're gonna reap good results, right? Trading, there's no guaranteed income, but if you sow following your plan, following your setups, your entries, your rules, you will reap the rewards. That's my message. So focus on what you can sow so that you can reap whatever it is you sow.
And sorry, I can't figure out how to lower him. Can you give him another message? Yeah, there's this one thing that's not quite. Maybe just talk a little lower. I'll figure it out today.
I'll try to talk lower.
John tends to talk loud.
Kind of. It's just because my frequency is up right now.
Yeah, I guess so. It's always up. It's up.
Yeah, we got to be able to raise our frequencies out of nowhere.
All right, let's see. You looking at this too, John? Or?
Yeah, I'm looking at the celery.
I mean, I like sells if we close back below, but like if we would have closed below here like this, that would have been much better to take sells. Now sells have to wait for that closure here.
I agree, bro. I had fake outs below there, but celery, you got to take that,
I gotta take it. It's not up to me.
It's not. What are you using? Current stops or previous?
My stops are like back in the range here, 23.66, 300ish.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm thinking like the fact that we didn't close below there on that 30 tells me we want to still go up with that 4 hours as well.
Yeah. This 4 hour looks like it wants to plan a support. Right, we kind of came down, so the 4 hour candles have come down, and in a way they have tapped target, right? Do you see where the wick is here? Like look where this wick, look at left, right? What did it wick into? It wicked back into the support level. Last time we came into the zone, we began to push straight back up, right, on this candle. So can we expect now that this has tapped into the zone for it to begin to push back up, right, to get a bullish closure somewhere up in these ranges? So that's kind of like the idea here. Same thing with the daily, right? Daily's kind of tapped into this area here as well. Now we could still continue down in the daily for sure, but we're almost looking at this as if like, well, if the 4 hour continues to break the high, right, then that means that it probably wants to push up from that point. And if the 1 hour is officially closing, or 30 minutes officially closing above on both candles here during high times of volume, then if you break that high, you'll most likely get a push up. The 15 has already created support as well. So 15-minute support, 30-minute celery, and basically, the 1 hour is the only one that's kind of been just pretty bullish here. But I could see us coming up towards like 73 here and then maybe rejecting. We need volume, though. We need volume.
Yeah, for sure.
Previous 4 hours, small top wick. Yeah, that too. This guy has like almost no top wick. So, yeah. So, we'll see. if we're gonna go, if we are gonna move down, we shouldn't break that high pre-news. What up, Lights Fire? How you do?
Go Lights Fire.
The man.
I think we still got time before news, like to go to juice up. We got some volume coming.
Yep. Partials is gonna be closed like somewhere in this range here. So somewhere right around here, close partials, and then maybe we can get this thing to really juice up, right, towards like 23.82.
Comics open, yup, soon. Correct.
Comics. Let's see. You're going to take the trade even if there's news in less than 20 minutes? Yeah. If we break this high, I'm gonna just go long here, expecting price to push up back into 73 here. Did I do it correctly this time? Yeah, I got a buy stop. We're good. We're good.
2 minutes for that 15.
Take 10 ticks and dip. Hey. Run. See if we get a juice box.
Chat, you guys smell it?
Smell it? Yeah, there was 2 or 3 times where me messing up the trade thing hurt me, but yesterday, or was it yesterday, the day before, it actually helped me, man. I got I think 6 extra pips out of that. You down for some juice, Stephen B? Juice box. Yeah, we will see. The big news here is how's the 4-hour gonna close, right? Can we close bullish and create support, and then we can have a much cleaner vision on the buys than we have right now. But that's gonna be another 45 minutes here. Jobless claims should be higher than expected. Bullish for gold. My buddy fell asleep at a sell stop yesterday. Woke up with a bag. Hey, got that bag on me.
That's like a great feeling.
What do you think of that 15-minute resistance formed earlier? 15. Yeah, I think it's still clean on the 30-minute time frame here. If we break the highs, I want to take sells here, but not unless we're below 66. So if this candle closes below the range here, then that's going to be a different story. Yeah, if we close below, I'll probably delete this. Other than that, I'm looking to see if we could break that high and then move on up pretty quickly to 73 here. Right, and that's probably where I'll close up shop and then wait for the next trade. But this is where we're looking for fake outs too. So if this candle does close back below, that's all good too. Yeah, we did not close below. So we didn't close below there. Stayed above on the 15. So yeah, it's gonna hang on here for a little bit. We got some news coming in. Can the news take us for a ride here today?
Employment claims, right? Yeah.
Yeah, unemployment claims. Joe Biden day. Hey, I finally agreed with Joe Biden on one thing. He was like, "We cannot win this re-election." My man said
Serious?
Donald Trump must win this re-election. I was like, "What?"
Did he actually?
This guy out of his mind? Unless that was some AI generated thing, which I don't know. It could have been, but man, that was fun.
What president would say that?
Man said we cannot
Running for election.
we cannot get re-elected in this. I was like, "Oh damn, you good, bro? You okay?"
Imagine running for re-election and telling your supporters to vote for the other guy.
Telling all your like he had like 18 supporters at this rally. He's like, we cannot win this re-election.
They're all, yeah.
That's Joe Biden. That's not Joe Biden. That's Joe Biden.
Let's go, Brandon.
At least he's not. I don't think he's up yet, so I think he gets up around 10 a.m. ish. Man, if we
At least he's
Trump
endorsing
back,
Trump.
Chat, if we get Trump back, just outside of all your political beliefs and all that, man, this market is gonna rumble, rock and roll, man. You just wait. Who traded during the Trump administration? Anybody? Holy. Gold would be your best friend.
Full margin.
All right, let's see where comics pushes us here in a few minutes.
Trump will bring that volume, yup.
Yeah. Outside of like politics and all that, dude, the markets will be ripping.
Mm.
Yeah. Trump is volume. When that dude comes in, there's just all volume all day.
Thanks.
And the best part is like when he tweets, it's like a red folder. It's like a red folder comes out, and it's just on like Donkey Kong.
Thanks, dude.
He'll be like the leader of Russia's a dumbass or something. Whatever. All of a sudden, it's like gold's dropping. Yeah, America. Y'all playing golf this weekend? Absolutely. John's not playing, but I am. John had some things to do this weekend. He was too busy for golf. Did you believe that?
Yeah.
Too busy for golf. Holy.
Oh, man, I'll be out there next weekend.
Next weekend he's coming.
Yeah.
I'm playing golf every weekend. Every weekend from this point out. Every weekend I can do it, I'm going to do it. What if comics is a liquidity grab coming in for unemployment claims? Then, yeah, I'll probably get stopped out because my stops are sitting below the range here. So if we get entered in and then kind of move back in the range, then that'll hit my stops. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. Comics is the commodity exchange open. So that's the open in, you know, for the commodities. So you'll tend to see gold really rally for a good like 5-10 minutes when you get that open. So that's happening right now. So we'll see, you know, what happens there. What's good, energy?
What's up, energy? Good morning.
Yo, dude, I got a Charlie horse last night.
Oh.
Dude said good morning at 3 a.m., man.
Damn, bro. I'm sorry to hear that. It's tough.
Yeah, bro. It actually feels a lot better now.
Like the first time, as I was a young kid, the first time I ever got a Charlie horse, I thought my life was over.
I was like, ah.
I was like, what is this?
No. No. Come to Russia? Not after that last joke I just made. What's a Charlie horse? Damn. I can't believe, like, maybe that's
Have to find
that's
out.
only a saying over here, maybe. It's basically when you ever, like, get a super tight cramp in your calf muscle. Like, you could legit feel this thing, like, alter. It's like, turns into, like, a different shape. You're like, whoa.
That's more
that
painful than a.
Yeah. Is that my calf? Yeah, quad cramp. Yeah. Yeah, man. Especially when they happen in the middle of the night. Oh, man. We just call it a cramp.
Or when you're like stretching. Were you stretching?
No, I think I was stretching, like, in my sleep. You know, like when you
Damn.
wake up real quick to give a little stretch? I was like,
Yep.
no. Don't do it.
It was literally a little bit of movement too. You barely moved.
Nah, the key to anything is deep breathing. Deep breathing is the key to everything.
Facts.
Yeah, man. Those things suck. Pay the fee. All you have to do is point your toes up and it will stop. I think that's what I did do and took like 5 deep breaths. And it was a goner. How can you delete your buy stops 2 minutes for the 15? Any specific reason? Or you follow the method only? Yeah, because we're in NY Open here. So that's kind of why. Because it's still kind of going to be like this. And also the candle was like down here. So I wasn't really worried about it closing with no top wick there. News in 5. News in 5. You want to eat snack or any reptile? Come to China. No, thank you. I'm good on the reptiles.
Eat a reptile.
Although the Floridians have told me that crocodile or alligator is pretty good.
Really? I can never eat an alligator.
Y'all be doing some crazy stuff in China.
Yo, anyone from Africa, do you guys eat tarantulas? I want to know. I know some people be cooking up like some spiders. I'm like, whoa. How does it taste? Let me know.
Grab your toes and pull back. Hurts like hell, but it goes away faster. Oh yeah, I'll try it. Yeah, I think breathing is like the best solution. Just deep, deep breaths. Remain calm. Nah, that's Kenya, bro.
Yeah.
Damn.
No, you don't eat it? All right.
Hey, I have this kid that I follow. He just finished his run up Everest, man. He just took the picture I think yesterday he got to the top. Took him like I think it was a couple weeks, 6 weeks maybe to get up there. I never realized how much of a journey it was up there. I always thought it was just like some climb up the mountain, but you know, there's a big climb and like towards the bottom people live there and all that. It's pretty cool. Got slipped into the trade. I think you got spreaded in. Yeah, I think you got spreaded in. So anytime you're taking buys, you always want to have your buy stop a little bit higher to cover for your spread. With sells, you don't need to do that, but with buys, you want to cover for spread. Yeah, that's another big reason why I switched over to mainly trading on the futures broker because there's very little to no spread, and there's no slippage. You guys ever seen Free Solo? Listen to the book, My Next Everest. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. Futures is lit, yeah. Yeah, that Free Solo is nuts, man. You look at that and you're like, you're watching and you're almost taking like a deep breath.
Yeah, that's crazy.
No slippage during news. I don't know. Got to trade. Is there any slippage during news, or is that just where spread kind of kicks up a little bit? And when we say kick up a little bit, we mean like 1 pip.
Yeah. I'm about to find out right now.
Yeah, you see my spread is right here. Not even 1 pip. 0.1 on the spread.
Still got to trade?
Got a trade in the house. I still have my buy stop. If you guys want to delete, go ahead. I'm feeling a little bit frisky here today. So if you guys want to delete, I would normally delete here, but I like this potential celery here and the impulse entry on the way up. So I'm going to keep mine. Very thin spreads. Yeah, spreads are amazing. I don't recommend trading news. I'm going to hold mine down here though, but I would recommend deleting your buy stops if you guys have them. Unless you're A-okay with the risk. I'm A-okay with my risk here. I know that this could be a bit or very risky, right? But I'm willing to risk it for the biscuit here. I'm not going to get slipped. Probably not. I love trading news. Let's go, Mr. Mac. Let's get on the 1 minute. Where's TK? I don't think. Did I see TK? TK.
Okay, check.
Nick's Casino is now open. Let's go. I strive to be like Raja in every single way. Last chance to delete these, chat. I'm holding them. I'm okay with risking it for the biscuit here. Last chance for you to delete. You got 19 seconds. Make up your mind.
Run out of time.
13, 12, 11.
Chat, buys or sells.
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Down first. Oh, yeah. All right, yeah, I'm going to delete. Yeah, I'm going to delete there. Didn't want to see it break the lows. Let's see how the 1 hour looks. 1 hour broke the low. Yeah, no more buy stops. We almost had it there, chat. We almost had some excitement.
Time to be patient.
This still might work out, right? 1 hour pack runner here. But it just ain't the trade it was 30 minutes ago. What did we get? How do we come out with news here? Let's see. Unemployment claims. Green numbers. Yeah, green numbers for the dollar, so gold may move bearish here now. Well, that would have been fun. You got sell stops? Nice. The next best thing here is if we don't really react towards news too much, then there's also opportunities to add those buy stops back based on the 4-hour candle, right? Closing bullish, you get a bottom wick, and then, you know, you break that high, you should continue moving up. Man, the casino was open. We tried to do it.
First time.
We tried to do it. Green, I tried. I tried, Green.
Anyone take the sells chat?
Hey, shout out to Energy and Dropout Trader, the most active in the live chat here. They both won 25K challenge accounts yesterday for just being the most active. That's how we're going to do a lot of the giveaways. I'm going to just sneak giveaways in randomly. Super randomly. For activity in the Discord, activity in the live stream. People who I see like growing and maybe just need some extra capital. I want to be able to help them out. Dropout Trader, man. Coming up, dude.
Trader.
Sheesh. Don't sleep. That boy dealing.
Sleeping.
When did I start trading? Like 2018, 2019, during that time.
Got started around like 2020, middle of the.
Dropout Trader, bro. W. Sheesh.
Big dubs.
Yeah, we got no top wick here. Not much movement. I see you live from 5 months ago. Let's go. If you're trading with top one, this news trade won't count, correct? Yeah, they won't let you trade news, I believe, 2 minutes. Is it 2 minutes? I think it's 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after. Yeah, I remember FTMO. I don't know, who's with FTMO? Does FTMO still do that? I remember FTMO did that back in the day, and my Forex funds, I think they were the first one to be like, okay, you can trade it now, or something like that, I forget. Lily, no, please, don't quake. COVID lockdown, yeah, the lockdowns were the best thing that ever happened to me. That was the best thing that could have happened to me at that time. That gave me an opportunity to lock in, dial in. I was just transitioning from one venture to another at that time too, and I had a small window of opportunity with some cash, and man, we capitalized. So some people just, you know, created like little dances on TikTok, man. We were working, we were grinding, we were studying the charts, we were studying everything we possibly could. You know, that was during that time. That's when I was in that phase of like on the charts for like 5-6 hours every single day.
Hell yeah, bro.
Single day.
We had nothing but time.
Yeah. Nick got some thick payouts from my Forex. Yeah. Who remembers? I think, what was her name? Ashley, right? Was it Ashley from my Forex funds? The girl who sent you the payouts every time. Yeah, he's like, Ashley, where that email at?
That email always hit.
That email slap. Yeah, so we heavily broke the 1 hour low, so those buy stops aren't valid anymore. But yeah, we just gotta wait now. Just gotta wait for a better price here. Yeah, that's true. I was thinking about that once I said that purpose. Some of y'all created some dances, became multi-millionaires on TikTok. How you doing? Yeah. W. Alicia. Yeah, Alicia. Yeah, that's true, Xander. My Forex Funds was trying to get everyone, man, but we were just robbing them blind. How's the mentorship for May going? Excellent. Excellent. Almost wrapped up here. This is graduation week for everyone in May. Yeah, June is already in the hopper. So guys, we open up the elite program. So if you guys are interested, it's a 4-week mentorship program dialed in with me for the whole month of June. So if you guys are interested in that, you can come to the TTE website, go to the coaching. You can read all about it, sign up there, book your introduction call on my calendar there, and let's be ready to work. Let's be ready to work, man. I'm in flow state, moving and grooving, feeling really good about my trading, feeling really good about what I'm personally learning and what I can bring to the table here. So there's a lot of value in this next coming month, man. You know, it's cool. You know, every single time is like a different month. So I'm always learning a little bit as we go too. So I'm always in a little bit of a different flow during these classes as well, which is pretty dope. After 4 weeks, we're no longer friends unless you pay the fee. Now, after the 4 weeks, most of the time we do a once a month evaluation and continue to regroup and stay in touch. And, you know, the elite members are actually people who I want to keep close to me, right? Because these are the guys and girls that I've poured into, not just trading, but, you know, mentality-wise and emotion-wise. And those are going to be the first people that I look towards when it's time to have like the hedge fund, right? And the senior traders and, you know, the junior traders and all that good stuff. So yeah, man. Yeah, we stay locked in. Stay locked in.
Put that work in.
Yeah, we're gonna be creating some sort of like private rooms in the Discord as well for certain members, you know, like whether they're elite members or badge members. We're gonna get some badges and stuff. It's gonna be pretty cool. Okay, pushing. So down we go. Five-minute closure, no bottom wick. Pay the fee.
4 hours starting to pull back too.
Yeah, 4 hours pulling back. Really would have been very much into these sells had we gotten a closure below.
Hell yeah. That's what I was waiting for, all pre-NY resistance.
Yes, sir. Just starting. That's right, BuzzBlab. Yeah, literally. This is just like the foundation. We're still digging up the dirt to put the building up. Yeah, we're still digging. Four-hour celery. Yeah, maybe. Yup. Look at this thing pumped all the way back down. Daily coming back down too here. First withdrawal on my live account. Let's go.
Love you, bro. Congrats.
Big dubs.
Big congrats too.
Yeah, congrats, man. Don't spend it all in one place now, awareness. Don't spend it all in one place. Shout out to TK, got a payout from FTMO I see here in the prop firm channel. Big W.
TK.
Little 919, little sunlight. I like TK. You see what he did? He blurred out his name besides T and K. He's a smart man. Yeah, y'all are crushing it.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Big,
So,
look at this. I mean, this is just so cool. Like, super dope to see. You guys should go in here and just gain some like inspiration, right? These are just buzzblab, man.
so
Like, amazing job, bro. Like, these are just traders, like, just like me, you know, just like you, who are out here doing it. Out here, you know, they at one point they had no idea what a pip was, right? See Melly in the house, right? So they had no idea what a support was, a resistance was. They didn't know what a bullish candle meant, right? You guys remember in the beginning? Who remembers? Is bullish up or down? And bearish down,
yeah, I
or is
remember.
that up or right? And now you guys are out here getting funded, which isn't an easy task at all. So, you know, give yourself credit, man. You guys are learning, you're growing. Pay attention to the progression and keep up the great work. Keep up the great work. Your future self will thank you for it. Who remembers trying to figure out this dang bullish bearish thing? Anybody? I'm like, yo, all right. The way I see it now is a bull runs toward. I remember I had it all fixed in my brain. I'm like, all right, a bull runs like towards you, like just. So I'm thinking like bullish, like up, and a bear will like come down on you, right? So that's how I put it together in my head. I don't know about y'all.
Nick, you were there when I was first learning about what a pip was. Remember?
Yeah.
Crazy.
Point in percentage. IML days. Everyone learned this. All right, guys, let me explain one of the most important concepts to trading. When price is moving in an uptrend, it makes higher highs and higher lows, and higher highs and higher lows, and higher highs. And who remembers that? I think every one of us have sat through that video. Remember me, Nick? Yes. How you doing, my friend? Good to see you back. Did you get married? How'd the wedding go? What up, Sam, man?
Hey, what's good, Sam, man? Good morning, bro.
Yo, tradeaholic. That's fun. This channel's really teaching me to sit on my hands. Yeah, it's not easy. It's not. You know, it's not easy. You know, it's not easy to just sit here and let price drive in certain directions and not be. You see how I'm not even the slightest interested in jumping into the market right now, right? Because I know exactly what I'm looking for, exactly what I'm waiting for, and it's just not here yet. You know, it's not there. So once you have a system, you really begin to dial in and say, okay, you know, I'm looking for something specific, and if that's not there, then there's nothing for me. Like there's other traders right now who had something here, like a part of their plan that they use to take these sells. And that's totally fine, right? Just because I'm not in this sell doesn't make it a risky move or a bad idea, right? It just doesn't line up with my system, right? There's no criteria here that matches what I look for. But one of my buddies that I talk to all the time, he might be in these sells right now, right? And it's not that he's right and I'm wrong, or I'm right and he's wrong. It's none of that, right? There is no right or wrong in this game. We're about to hit that news trade, man. We're about to tell nobody no nothing.
Yeah, facts.
I'm ready to golf, man. Is it Friday yet? Damn, I'm not golfing until Sunday. We should have booked that tee time for Saturday.
Or today.
Or today. All right, so you got a 15 closure here, and, you know, I do believe you're most likely going to move down a bit so we can push back, but there's no, you know, we already made a pretty aggressive move here. You may head back up, so I'm not really interested in this sell. At this point, with 14 minutes left, I'm going to wait on this 4-hour closure here. Can we go?
He's addicted to golf.
I am. Hey, did you guys see that post? Did you guys see that post that I put on Instagram? The guy's like, you know, this is pretty boring. Thanks for having me. He hits his first shot. He's like, I will commit my life to this. That's me, bro.
Yeah, I seen that. That was funny.
Yeah, this is my Instagram for those of you guys who don't follow me yet. You guys can follow me on IG. John, can you hear the music in the background?
Yeah, I can.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Check this out. Where is it? Right here. By the way, get a good look at this picture. Let's run it, man. Let's run it. Where's the volume?
But I'm kind of bored. But I'm kind of bored. Golf's not for me.
Oh.
I'm going to devote my life to this. Every weekend, for the rest of my days, I will be here chasing that feeling. Thousands upon thousands of dollars on gear and green fees. Questionable time management when it comes to my family. I will do what it takes. This is my life now. Welcome, brother. Yeah, I appreciate
Yo, that's me in a nutshell when it comes to golf.
Funny. Yo, jokes 4397, bro. Happy early birthday. Dude, I remember when I just first turned 18 and I was able to buy like my own challenge on my name because I remember I used to have to like trade on Nick's name, you know, so I was so young, like I couldn't even trade with my own name, you know, so that's a W, bro. 18. Let's go.
Let's go. Man's legal.
Yep.
No disrespect to golf, but have you ever tried playing pickleball? No, but I heard it was amazing. Yeah, I have a friend who plays pickleball all the time. That one good shot keeps you coming back, man. Yeah, it's like that's that first hit. Start chasing that hit, man. Pickleball, I gotta try out. Yeah, I never played pickleball, but it looks pretty cool. All right, 10 minutes, G's. 10 minutes. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. Sheesh. Yeah. I'll come back to NAS next year, maybe. Better luck next year, NAS.
I don't even look at NAS.
Well, moving on up. Moving on up. Call me when NAS drives back down on the monthly. Until then, don't call me about NAS, man.
So then screw it.
I just followed you on IG, Nick. Hey, yo, Edson. W. Am I familiar with disc golf? No.
Isn't that like the hell? Isn't that like what's it called?
What?
I don't even know.
What's that?
I think I know what that is, but I don't know what it's called exactly.
See, Melly gotta know.
Yeah. Yeah, frisbee. There you go. I think
Oh,
it's frisbee. Frisbee
Oh,
golf. Yeah.
Oh, frisbee golf? Wait, I never heard of that. Frisbee, yes. Frisbee golf, no.
So instead of hitting the ball, you throw the frisbee.
Interesting. Okay. I'd be down to play that on the beach. All right, news came out. Green numbers on the dollar. Gold should begin to continue to head down here. You may have this 4-hour celery play here as well. Yeah. Yeah, golf is lit. Especially if you play with the right people. Like I enjoy playing with Joe and John. I really enjoy playing with Austin Silver. He's always into the game, so I like playing with him. You know, you got to play with the right people. That's in anything too. The right people make the game.
Facts.
All right, we got 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left, or 7 minutes left, and the 4-hour candle will be closed.
Yeah, that would be great. That would be great. Jokes 43.97.
Joke.
Nice relief. One day I hope I can golf you guys too. Hey, let's run it. Let me know when you're in town. Maybe at the TT meetup we can get a golf game going on. Social boost. I think a 10K funded account is like between like 60 or 90 bucks, I believe. Someone in the chat can correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's between that range, 60 to 90 USD. Morning Storm Potato, welcome. Yeah, Marcus saying it's $70. So
Hey, top one is getting rid of that 50% discount. They're also getting rid of the bonus capital. I'm gonna try and work something out with them where maybe we can get a special, like our own special deal where we can always get the bonus capital. So I'm gonna see if I could work that out for us when I talk with them. But yeah, they're getting rid of it. I want to see if we could potentially like have a special link or a different site that our traders can go to. That way we can continue to get the bonus capital. Yeah, because that bonus capital makes a difference, man.
word.
Any advice to past funded accounts? Yeah, just take them day by day. You know, the same advice I would give to grow an account. It's just you have to take it day by day. You know, the thing is with trading is you legit cannot rush this process. I mean, look, can you sit up at night and literally just go hard in the paint and scalp the daylights out of something? Yes, you know, and can you actually succeed doing that? Yes. But what's the probability of you really doing it? You know what I mean? And doing it twice, 3 times, 4 times, and really walking out a champion and a winner, right? So yes, you can do this, right? Has there been times where I've literally made $5,000 in an hour and a half, right? Just almost breaking every rule in the book and just, right, John? Like I literally pulled this out of a hat. And you know, can you do that? Yeah, but could I have done that over and over and over and over and over again? I don't think so. So I would just recommend, whether it's a funded account, whether it's a personal account, to take things day by day, trade by trade. Don't try and rush it. don't try and do anything outside of your, comfort zone in a way. Like, stay professional. If you can stay professional, you may not get that account this week, but maybe in a month you'll have it. And not only will you have it, but you'll have the right mentality, the right mindset, and a working system to get you the same results again and again and again and again. Right? I don't think I could have ran that up. Like, remember when I scalped that hour that day, and just basically I was risking my entire account, so if you're willing to do that, that's something. But I would highly recommend just taking.
You're saying you can't do it. Yeah.
Saying what?
But you can't do that consistently,
Yeah, probably not. Yeah, most of the time.
And that's the thing.
Go ahead, John.
Sorry. No, you got it.
No, I was just gonna say, most of the time that I blew my accounts, especially funded accounts, it was never that I ran out of time or that I hit the 10% max drawdown. It was always daily max drawdown, because I was trying to rush it. And I was over risking, trying to get it done in one day.
Hell yeah. Yeah, man, it's so important to follow one system too, because I won't be impressed if you show me 1 month of profitability, but I'll be impressed if you show me 6 months, right, of consistent profitability. But my advice to you asking about how to pass the funded account is, consistently follow your system and think in probabilities, all right? The sooner you have a probabilities mindset with your system, the sooner you'll see profitability. Because think about it, like, a lot of people, they'll take a couple losses with their system and then they'll strategy hop, right? So consistently follow one system and have a probabilities mindset, and I think you'll be good. And trade by trade, like Nick said.
Trade by trade, man. That's the hardest part about the game.
It's
trade by trade, and the big thing is that you only get 1 or 2 really good high probability trades a day, So you got to be okay with settling down for that day and holding off till tomorrow. It's just how it is. It's just how the game goes.
How to master consistency and discipline. So I feel like, being consistent and disciplined is a habit, right? Because to be excellent in trading is a habit. It's not like a one-time. So just like any other habit, it's going to take some time to build it, getting repetition, getting reps in to strengthen it. So I think you can master it by, always by working on being disciplined every single day. Maybe write it out on a piece of paper on your desk, and also be disciplined in other areas, of your life. But I think that you can really master it by working on it every single day.
Yeah.
And you got to be accountable for that. That's the name of the game.
Yep. How many live accounts have you blown in your time, Nick? I don't know. And the crazy part is I was never counting. I was always down to do whatever it took. I think I probably blown. Remember that one time, John? I had I funded a $1,000 account, and then I blew it that day. You remember that? And then I funded it.
Yeah.
I was like, damn.
I was like, how much are you risking, bro?
It was bad. So yeah, I think I blew more funded accounts than live accounts. I would say live accounts maybe like 5, probably at like 1,000 a piece, and then funded accounts maybe like 12, 13, 14, something like that, early on, when I was literally just trying to pass it in one day. It was bad.
I know.
Bad. It was real bad. All right. So
yeah.
Let me let's chat for a second about price here. Let's go ahead and redo the drawings here. So looking at the daily, right, we're still heavily bearish here on the daily. We can continue to come down, break that low, tap into 23.35 here, no problem today. 4-hour close bullish, we're still below the range here. So this is basically your range on the 4-hour chart. You still have room to go, right? So we still really have all the way down, I would say, towards like 35 here, which is going to be that daily target, right? So if we have targets down there, let's take a look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour has somewhat of a support level right here that we would like to get below. You also have a resistance level that was formed right here. Looking at 30-minute as well. 30-minute, same thing. You got resistance. We could adjust it a little bit. And this is kind of the range that we're currently sitting in, right? So let me see if we can peek at the 15. Yeah, there's not much. You know, I think if we can get, let's say the 15-minute, I'm sorry, that's the 5. The 15-minute to just give us a top wick. So maybe do something like this. Right, come down, give us a bottom wick, come up, give us a top wick, right, for the 4-hour candle, and then we get another bearish closure like this. Now we have a new resistance, right, and we could potentially take our sells during 9:15, 9:30, 9:45, coming down to retest support. And then if you do close below there should be more valid sells coming down towards 35, so that way the daily candle can finish its thing. So yeah, we'll see what happens. 4-hour just opened. We really want to see that low break. Otherwise, you could break that high right there and begin to just pump up. So just give it a little bit of time. Little bit of time. 15 also has a
waiting game.
You got support right here as well. Actually, a drive back up towards like 65 would actually be really nice, because that would pump the 4-hour up, right? Break the highs, come back here, never fill the wick, create some sort of resistance up there, and now you've got pretty clean range on the 15-minute to continue, you know, driving down. So like you get these maybe 2 bullish candles like this, fake out somewhere up there towards like 65, and now you got pretty clean range to come back down. Skirt. So we'll see. We'll see.
Yes, we will.
I would not take a sell here or a buy just yet. It's just, we just started 3 minutes ago here.
Yeah, and plus I would rather sell more at the top of the chart.
Yeah. Today's profits on AB Mike. Oh, we're gonna have a showdown. See, that's what we'll create the stage for in Discord. So you can have a little showdown, a trade-off.
Hey, a trade-off. We should do like a little friendly competition like that.
Yeah, all you guys that are beefing in the Discord, I should be like, let's settle it with a trade-off. And let's see who wins.
Facts.
Hey, no beef in the Discord, man. You know, we create that environment for growth, you know, to really sharpen each other and make each other better. Not to, you know, like, if you don't have anything nice to say, just don't say anything. You know, let's keep that Discord a good environment for new people to come in there and say, hey, look, you know, like, this is a group of traders who are united. They all support one another. It's a good environment for me to come in and to learn, right? Because that's what I created. So when you guys do this random like drama stuff, you begin to hurt what I've spent a lot of time and energy to build. So just putting that out there. Let's keep it cool in the Discord, and you know, no beef. You want to beef with someone, just hit them up in the DM, right? But don't be beefing on the Discord itself.
Yeah, let's be mature.
We gonna be beefing. And you know what I do to beef? But it's fine. You know, that those things come up here and there, but as long as you guys just wrap your head around what I'm trying to say here quickly, it's not an issue. It happens. We're human.
If we're mature adults, everything will be better.
We love beef. Y'all remember what happened to the last guys that did something in the Discord, right? Green, we ain't never heard of them again.
They're gone.
Where do you learn from? You're a rookie. You can come here and learn every day, man. We basically do this every day, Monday through Friday. It's just live trading where we just trade live. You know, trade our system live, talk about it, answer questions. So you're more than welcome to plug in here every day and enjoy the value. Yeah. Oh, is our juice box coming about
Right back
here? Right back up.
Who took the cells? Hey, what's good, AB Mike? How old am I? I'm 19, brother.
19.
19 years young.
Only beef I want to see in that Discord is ribeyes, baby. I want to see some ribeyes, man. Leave the beef for the steak section here.
Keep it classy,
Right.
Clinks facts.
Hey, why do we only have 2 steaks here? I gotta, my bad. I forgot we had this channel. I gotta start throwing some steaks in there. Where's my man Nathan, the steak master? Aaron, where you at? Where's Aaron's steaks at, man? Those get me motivated.
Aaron, I need your phone number, bro, for the next time I cook a steak.
You think I could FaceTime you one-on-one? I'll pay. I'll pay for your time.
Yeah, Sammy Pips. I love brisket too. Brisket's fire.
I want to trade like you guys, learn like you guys. It takes time. It takes time, my friend. You know, I know we want everything like so quickly and so fast, but you know, good things take time in life. And if you show up here day in and day out, you know, you won't grow, you know, in one day, but over many days, you'll be able to sit back and, you know, I posted on Twitter one of those things. I was like, you know, I remember when I was younger, I really thought like $500 to $1,000 a day was almost impossible, you know, like as if that was like insane amount of money. And, you know, looking at it now, it's all perspective, but my man Ray Capital was like, yo, like that would be a lot, you know, like that would be insane to me to make that. And I said, bro, you just, as long as you stay steady, in a year, you're going to come back and retweet this, right? And it's going to be real for you too, where 1,000 or 500 really isn't that much. You know, you're not going to get, it is a lot of money, but you're not going to get like your perspective changes as you begin to make, you know, bring more money in.
As you level up.
And he'll be saying the same thing. Why? Because he continues to do the work. He continues to make the adjustments. He continues to stay in contact and, you know, make sure he's up in his game and leveling up. Level up.
Yeah, man, we're all just, it's a journey. Life's a journey. So we just gotta embrace it and enjoy it and take the full experience of life. You know, the Bible says always be filled with joy. So, you know, try to be joyful in the journey. I know life's hard and stuff, but we're humans, right? And life is risky. So it's not going to matter at the end of the day because we're all not going to be here in hundreds, thousands of years, right? So just try to enjoy it and embrace the journey.
Yeah.
And I think the truth is, Nick, like the slow and steady path is the quickest way to get to where you want to go, I think.
It is. It's tough, though. It's tough. Not many people can keep up with that, you know, and stay steady like that. But you guys got to be tougher, right? We know that life is tough, but we know that we could be tougher. We know that we can walk in victory through the promises of the one that created us. Therefore, we should not doubt ever, right? Whatever is placed in our heart, we can, you know, bring it to reality. It's not in our heart for no reason.
Sure.
You can do it.
You can do it. Let's get it.
Slow and steady is just so painful, isn't it? But man, it builds
oh my God.
it builds so much character. You'll be a different person, you know, in the next year or so.
Don't even tell me about it, bro, because I remember it. You know, I'm glad I went the slow and steady route. But Chad, you know how bad I wanted to, you know, make like $200, $300, but like my level wasn't there yet, right? I had to continue to stay at like $50 or whatever. You know, I had to lower my size. I had to earn my size, right? And I had to, you know, be accountable for my actions and stuff too. So yeah, man, I mean, it's hard, but you gotta slow and steady and be accountable for your actions.
Yep. Gotta trade nose, gotta trade nose. All right, so 15 closure coming up in 3 minutes here. We'll see how we close on the 15. We're starting to come back up towards our buy stops from earlier. We'll see what we do. Maybe we still want to continue up. I don't know. I'd rather be looking for some sort of like resistance to form here. So I want to see how we react towards like 65 here for potential fake outs, aka top wick being formed, right? And then breaking the low here. That'd be nice, but we'll see. We got 3 minutes on the 15. We got 18 minutes on the 30-minute candle.
Let's get it, Aaron. W.
Went from trading 10 lot, yeah, now down to 5 lot. Yep. Yeah, you don't want to be like super anxious in the trade either. Like you gotta, everyone has that threshold of like, I'm comfortable in the trade, but once I go to this size, I'm really not that comfortable. And when you're not that comfortable, it's gonna force you to make like emotional decisions in drawdown and even in profits. So like if you can stick in that sweet spot, like find that sweet spot for you, you know, and stay there, right? And then earn your size from there, and you'll earn your size by your own like comfortability, right? Like you're like, all right, you know, I think I could step it up now. Like I'm more confident in my trading. I'm more confident at this dollar amount or this percentage amount. I can move up a little bit, and that's how you want to size up. You know, just earn your size day in and day out with your comfort level, and then your relationship with risk, and then your ability to continue to execute, you know, on the plan.
100%. 100%. And that's totally okay if that's you, you know, continue to trade on that 1 lot. If the 5 lot's making your psychology mess up, you know, it's totally okay, because it's the outcome's not important here. You know, of course it is, but what's more important is the process of trading and becoming a better trader. You know, so when you become a better trader and you get better and better every day, you can now earn that size.
Yep. All right, let's see what happens here. What's cool is our buys are above the highs here, right? So if we do break that high, then that's where our buys are sitting, right? So if you do break the high on the 4 hour, then that means, okay, maybe we did want to create support and continue up here on this candle to probably tap into like these levels up here. So let's see what happens as we approach the highs here at 2368.
Yeah, that'll be a big.
Damn, y'all banning energy out here? Come on, ruthless.
Damn.
Energy?
Who's banning people?
She's the most innocent chatter. Damn, Mod's getting wrecked. Ruthless.
AP Mike got banned too, right? Like, what's good?
Who else is getting banned out here? Lights Fire got banned, yo.
Lights Fire got banned too.
Mods, yo, whoa, what's going on here?
Someone woke up with murder on their mind.
Oh, baby. We got the beef grilling. The beef is on the grill, eh? How you doing? Hey, guys, just settle down and go watch Little Mo Mozzarella for a few minutes and everyone will be okay.
Yeah, facts, man. If Gold smokes my stops, I'm going and binge watching Little Mo. Like,
whoa. Would I ever do swing trading in the future? I don't know. Maybe. I think what I will do is in the future, when I have like $1 million account, I will literally like wake up at like 8:15. You know, I'll still get up early, but I'll take a look at the chart at like 9:30. And if there's like a celery play going in the higher time frame direction, I'll bet like 50 G's on it. And that's it. And if that play isn't there, then I just won't trade that day.
Call it a fuck. Oh, sorry. Call it a month.
Call it a day. Call it a day, man. Nobody moves. Yo, Green, let them know nobody moves. Nobody gets clipped. All right, so this is a big candle here. So we're either gonna range on the next candle, close above, or close back below the range here. Let's keep it super simple here today. You're kind of in this like no trade range at this point, very choppy in this area. So probably won't touch anything here, but if we break that low, close below the range, then I think you got clean sells coming down into these zones down here at 56, and then the buys are decent above here, but you got even cleaner buys above there. So I'm just stay away from this red zone here and look to trade anything in the green. Energy's back. Yeah.
W.
She's back. Welcome back, Energy.
Yeah, Colin, we're usually always using previous candle stops. And the only time we're not using previous candle stops is when the stops are too big, right? When the previous candle stops are too big, then we'll look to use current candle stops, or like Nick will do, he'll put his stops like maybe in the range. But yeah.
Who else is here that hasn't said hi today?
It was good, Perez. See Perez in the chat. It's good, YOLO trader.
Perez. Perizzi. How y'all gonna come here and not say hi, man? All right, look at this. So we never broke highs. Came right up to them. We rejected off 68. Let's see if we can close back below 65, and then there may be some opportunity. Yeah, 9:30 high volume time coming in. 46 pip range plus more. Hey, big folk Reds in the house. The African trader is here. What up, the African trader? What's up, Rose and Buds? Good morning. Just waking up. How was your sleep? Engineer. The boy engineer's in the building. The real question is Nikolowski here? Hey, yo, Lang, Lapel in the building. What's up, Ben? There we go. There's everyone. There's the homies. Jason is in the building.
Gang. Gang.
Coach Carter. I was going to say, yeah, there's Tamra. Where everybody at? Jamil in the building. Usama, oi. Oi. Can you tell us how you learned the trading? Like, who was your mentor and how much time did it take you? It's still taking me time. You know, you guys are watching me learn every day, you know, so that's the biggest thing here is the class is always in session and the learning never stops. So I'm still learning, you know, I'm still learning and growing every day. You guys are here to witness that. But the main guy I learned from was Raja. He was really the guy who introduced me to this trading style and helped me understand it, or really like comprehend it in a way that I was able to understand it. You know what I mean? I don't know if that makes sense, but you know, he just made things simple for me when it came to trading. And you know, then I also plugged in with Dom Vo for a while, who helped me tie things together a little bit better. And then, you know, took basically the best of what I like from Raja, best of what I like from Don, and kind of created this whatever we got here now.
Edge, I guess.
This mess.
This methodology.
This proven methodology. Why'd you skip
Technical
my name?
methodology.
Hey, Khaled. Oh.
Hey, what's good? Andrew, good morning, bro.
Andrew. Rye Man in the building.
All right, man.
Raja was one-on-one sessions for you? No, man. I didn't get the honor to talk with Raja like personally until, you know, maybe like last year, but it was all everything he put out. So whether it was a live stream, whether it was a video on YouTube, whether it was a video he put in his course, I was on top of it, man. On top of it. And I still am, by the way. Still am on top of his stuff. As you can see here, there's only one other Discord that I'm in, and that's Raja's. Yeah.
Yeah, even 4 years into it, like even myself, like I was binge watching Raja yesterday, right? Just refreshing, going over the basics, getting some repetition in.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Look at this. Trade of the day is in. If you guys haven't gone into our Discord, every trade, pretty much every trade I take is all broken down in this channel right here. W. Scott, appreciate you, man. So these are very good learning material. Go in here, take a look, study these trades. You know, these are the trades that I study on a week-to-week basis, right? My own trades here. So everything is well explained, and then there's different, you know, step 1, step 2, step 3, like what led up to the trade, what we were thinking, what happened, what was the result, all that good stuff. Yeah. Check it out. I'm in market fluidity as well. Yeah, nice. I've been a student of Raja's now for about since like mid 2020 ish, early to mid 2020. So it's been like 4 years now. I love how Raja reacts to stupid questions. Yeah, me too. Let's go. Congratulations, the blessed trader. Blessed.
Yeah, good stuff, blessed trader.
Student of Mr. Banks. Yeah. How do these traders scale to being millionaire traders without trading prop firms? Like Raja, they just, so what happens is they have some money, right? And they fund the account, and then they just slowly and steadily grow it. And, you know, a lot of times, like, you know, you should have some income outside of trading. Like, you should remember, trading is, you know, what do millionaires have, right? Multiple streams of income, right? So it would be silly to think any entrepreneur was, you know, not making money other places. That's what entrepreneurs do, right? They make money. They find ways to make money, whether it's a job, whether it's a business, whether it's sales, whether it's sponsorship, whatever it is, they figure out a way. So most times, like maybe right now you would have a job, and then you would have a funded account or a personal account, right? So you begin to take good trades, grow your account, but let's say every paycheck, you put a little aside, right, to throw into your account. You put a little aside, and then eventually you get to the point where you can, you leverage that money, right? You treat it like another bank account in a way, where now you're able to leverage that money versus the bank. So, you know, you put little in here and there, little in, as you continually win trades and grow your account. And then at a certain point, it gets to the point where now you have enough leverage to make X, Y, and Z on a trade, right? Let's say it's $100 and that's how much you make full time. Well, now if you continue to do that consistently, you can begin to, you know, number one, leave your job, but also build your account, scale your account up. So it takes a lot of time. You know, that's the thing. It takes a lot of time, and you got to be all in. Yeah, treat it like
Yeah, and I'm starting to think,
account. Yep.
Not facts, bro, because why keep your money in your bank account when the bank is going to invest it, right? Why let the bank invest your money when you should invest your money, you know? So
Yeah.
it's still an account I think, I still think that a trading account is still like a bank account with good risk.
Yeah, as long as you're not being an idiot and blowing your account, and as long as you're responsible, then you can do that.
Yeah, like if you only have $5,000, $10,000, and it's all in your trading account, and you trade maybe like 30% of it, 50% of it, like I don't know, that might not be the smartest.
Yeah, but if you can go like 3%, 5%, and take it for what it is and grow it from there, then you can look back in 2 years and be like, damn, I got a 60K account, I got a 70K account, I can make $1,000 per trade now. So that's kind of how it begins to scale and compound.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, save your money, invest your money, gang. You don't need to buy these flashy clothes and this stupid stuff. Like right now, especially if you're not living the life you want to live. If you're living the life you want to live and you're making the money you want to make, I mean, by all means, do you, right? But if you're not in that situation yet, I think it's extremely foolish to go out and spend money on things that you just don't need, right? You could be putting that towards your personal education. You could be putting that into your account so you can, let your skill set multiply it. But, to have a shirt hanging up in the closet, I mean, that's wear it once, take a picture, get a couple likes. I mean, that's kind of,
Finally.
doesn't sound too smart.
Especially with someone else, which most of the time it is for someone else who doesn't even care.
Yeah. They're going to be like, oh, cool, look at this cool shirt Billy got. Let me give that a double tap. Anyway, geez, man.
And
what am I doing over here? I got to pay this phone
and
bill.
And those who want to live a life of freedom, this was one of the best advice I've ever got from this millionaire. And he said, you don't have to be making $1 million to experience freedom. You can simply experience freedom by living below your means, right? Because when you live below your means, you get to experience a level of peace that those who live above their means will never get to experience, right? Those who live above their means are always stressing and stuff like that, where if you're living below your means, you may not have a luxury lifestyle, but you got your freedom, Yep. So yeah, and live below your means until the money is multiplied maybe 10x, 30x, 50x, 100x.
All right, we got 1 minute. I may be interested in shorting this gold market here soon.
For our salary, that wick to fill.
Possibly. We did break the high though. We did break that 4-hour high.
True.
Don't buy the new Versace, no. Or the Yeezy slides, please. Please don't do it. Hey, I didn't buy my first Yeezys until this year. Bought some Yeezys. Oh, yeah, we need a top wick here. There's if we can get a top wick on this candle, I'm gonna have sell stops probably on the back on the flip here.
Yeah, February Canada news at 9:45.
Yep, PMI. The Croc slides. The Croc slides are good enough, man. They'll get the job done. They will get the job done.
Hey, what's good, Scott? W.
Scotty C, the top G.
Scotty C.
Croc slides, man, croc slides. Yeah, I think the only thing I've really done very good at was not just making money, but not spending it. That's probably my superpower is, and luckily I have a beautiful wife that's been on board with this type of stuff. So she's not nagging me like, hey, can we get this? Can we get that? Why can't we do it? Right? She understands.
Want a Gucci bag.
Yeah. She understands the bigger picture, right? She understands the bigger vision, which I'm extremely blessed. I married up, you know what I mean? If it wasn't for her, I probably wouldn't really be doing any of this stuff. But yeah, you know, all we've done is not spend our money, right? We've just invested. That's pretty much it. You know, we go on some vacations and we spend what we budget for, is what I should say, right? It's accounted for, right? It's allowed to be spent. But we don't just spend foolishly on stupid things just because we want it. We want it. I want it. Like, you know, imagine grown man. I want it. Come on, brother. Come on.
Yep. I said this yesterday, but for the people who weren't here, you know, the problem with making money isn't your ability to make it, but it's your ability to keep it. You know, so you got to have good money management skills. It's one thing to make it, but another to keep it. The guys who have good money management skills will keep their money.
Yep. Yes, they will. And the other ones, they'll give it right to the guys that have good money management skills. How you doing? Go read The Richest Man in Babylon and then come back.
Hey.
And then say,
How you
how you
doing?
doing?
How you done? Yes, sir. Mangus. Correct.
There's a good book too, How the Rich Stay Rich. That might be one that you would like to pick up. Imagine walking by a book that says How the Rich Stay Rich for $12.99 and then going up and picking up a Harry Potter book for $41.99. Holy! I was going to grab that one, but I'm going to grab the Harry Potter book today.
Yep. And
Could you imagine? Think and Grow Rich is sitting in your local Barnes & Noble for like $9. That's insane. That book should be like 50 grand.
$100,000.
Hey, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. So we're just waiting on news now. It's getting a little bit close to news.
I want familiar price action. Yep. Yeah, chat. When you live below your means, now you have all this leftover cash, and what do you do with this leftover cash? You invest it. And now over time, these investments will yield you a high return. And that is how the rich get wealthy. And that's the formula I'm going to be following. And then I'll be going to Dubai. Since I've lived below my means and worked on multiplying my bread, now I can go take a trip to Dubai. Yeah, because right, we're trying to be successful in a world full of, I guess, failures, you could say. So we got to do the opposite of the crowd, right, to get opposite results. Most people are just going to match their income with the level of expenses they got, you know. So if you could be disciplined in your money management, that's going to be a major key for you. Trust.
Major. You guys ever heard the saying, hey, let's let the rest of our life be the best of our life? Man, finances aren't everything, but it's hard to say that without having a handle on your finances.
Yep.
Money's not everything, but it sure is up there with oxygen.
Yep. I don't like money. I don't love money itself. Like, I'm not pursuing money, but the things that money can get me, right? The things that I can do in my life with money, that is something else, right? So I don't love money. I love what money can do for me.
Yeah, this wick fill is actually pretty solid here. Pretty solid. Let's see how we react here in this range.
I didn't like the weak body support. feel like I got stopped taking that a couple times.
Yeet. All right, we're gonna re-break the high here. Almost. I love the stakes that money can get. Yeah, man. Yeah, you go to the, if you don't got the money, you know, you're like, you go on your date, you're like, she gets the steak. You're like, no. I was gonna get chicken if she got chicken, but now that she got steak, I mean, sir, what would you like? I'll take a salad. She's looking at you like, you taking you what? Man, if she would have got steak,
You get the steak, the bill's double the amount.
I had enough money to get some chicken too, but damn it, she got the steak. Please let her order a salad. Please let her order a salad. Please let her order a salad.
Please God. Please God.
Oh, man. How you doing? Ladies, if you go get the steak with your man and he gets the salad, you already know what's up.
You already know that should be the last date. No, I'm kidding.
Your man needs a back rub.
Yeah, word, Xander.
Not only does she ask for the steak, she asked for the 32-ounce ribeye. Now you're questioning do you have enough money in your bank account. Never mind the budget for this date here.
The hummer, 32-ounce steak. Yeah.
Damn. What's Sam up to? Sam's he's moving and all that. He'll be back soon. Yeah, he'll be back. You like, I'll take a water and a salad? Do you want lemon with that water? Do you charge for the lemon? No? Oh, yeah. I'm just kidding. I know you guys don't charge for the lemon. It was just a joke.
Rolling.
You like that, honey? You like that, honey? Thought it was a good joke?
She's looking at you like you're crazy.
Do people go on dates anymore? I don't even know if that's the thing.
Nah, now they just get takeout and Uber.
They're just like, nah, just like and comment my picture. That'll be fine. We don't need a date. Let me get a water cup. I'll take a... You guys have a water cup, right? Just take water. So you want lemonade. You guys are funny, chat. Where do you guys come up with this stuff, man? Where do y'all think of this? Don't worry, honey. I'm a funded trader. That payout's gonna hit. I'm in phase 2. Just give me some time.
Yeah.
We're gonna be up. All right, news is coming out. We never rebroke the high on the 15 either here, so we got PMI coming in about 5 minutes here.
Looking
She takes a pause for a minute. You're like, you gonna finish that steak or?
She only eats half of it.
She just throws the other. You just watch her. The waitress comes up. You all finished, honey? She's like, yeah. You're like, she almost spit my water out.
Yeah, Jamil. Honey, I just got robbed by gold.
I didn't even see him coming.
Yeah, Xander, facts, bro. We always get the seconds. Nick, right? You be seeing me eat my girl's leftovers.
Nah, I don't. I've never seen that.
All right, stop capping.
Stop the cat.
Yeah.
Alright. So yeah, we did fill the wick here on the 30-minute time frame and the 4-hour time frame here. So we'll see what's gonna happen now. So numbers came out red there. Green there for the dollar. So that's where you see the pump down on gold. Now let's see how these numbers come out and see where price action leads us. What time is it? 9:40. A few more minutes.
Hopefully news can get us out of this like range.
Two minutes. It's been a good month, good week here so far as well. We're in the tail end of the week here, so great job, great performance this week overall. I think everything is lined up pretty well for us. So it's been a good week, been a good month. It's crazy that we're already in the end of May. I feel like we had just left June, or not June, April. Yeah.
Starting to think I'm just dreaming now at this point.
I'll make my tea. Charla, you gonna make me some tea as well? We're gonna have some tea, mate. Why don't we have some tea? Pinkies up.
AB might.
Can't make a trade 5 minutes before or after high impact news. The top one. Is it 5 minutes or is it 2 minutes? I be getting them confused. I be getting them mixed up. I think it's yeah, I think you're right. I think it is 5. Oh, you felt attacked. Usman. Oh, I love tea too, man. Especially tea times. Tea times on the golf course. Oh my God, the best. It's tea time. Tea time. Tea time. One minute. Love from India, bros. Hey, yo, what's good? The biscuits in the UK are vibes? Dude, I have to try them. Tea and biscuits? Let's go. I'm with that. I like biscuits.
Hell yeah.
All right, 50 seconds. Time to gamble. What do you say? What do you say?
Nobody knows nothing.
No one knows nothing. Let's see how we open up, and then we'll go from there. TTG.
Bro, I'm done with this patient thing.
No more patience.
Full margin time.
Should we gamble on buys or gamble on sells? What do you think? What do you think?
It's good, TK.
We like to gamble. We do a little gambling.
Let's buy.
Oh. No.
Damn.
I wanted those sells. Just a little bit of gamble. Don't tell anyone, chat. Just don't tell anyone and we'll be alright.
Keep it low key.
Keep it low key. Don't nobody move, nobody get clipped.
Louis G.
We got a blade.
So,
here.
Nick.
What up, TK? So, Johnny boy, what you doing today? How you doing today, Johnny boy?
Chilling.
Imagine if someone.
Nice action.
Yeah, new people probably come to our stream like, what the hell's going on here, man? What are these people up to?
We do a little trolling.
Man, this looks so good. This is your 15 celery about to play here. Yeet. Yeet.
Come on, bro. Just say goodbye.
No. Don't do it.
Go.
You want to play some golf, Nick? Yes. When? You got a reserved. If you got a reserved tee time for today, I will clear the schedule. No, it wasn't a 15 celery. It was a 4-hour celery. See, like down here, like if we remove everything, see how it's got like a 4-hour celery play here. Break the lows, but the only issue with the cells is that we're in this resistance right here. But we got a lot of volume coming in. $15-minute celery that looks like this, to me that's not really a celery play. This wick is way too long. Gold. Stop it. No FOMO. Yeah, yesterday purpose, I'm not exactly sure why we drove down like that. We drove down super hard yesterday. I'm not exactly
Probably because we're in an uncertainty environment.
Yeah, this 4-hour celery might play out good here. The only issue is there's no stops. You know, no stop loss in sight. I'm in cells, nice. Where's your stop loss?
You got a wick bill.
What you got for stops? Unless y'all hitting them 100 pip stops, I don't know. I don't know. Even the
purpose, honestly, dude, anything can happen, dude, in this environment. You know, the markets could do whatever it wants. So I feel like if you don't have real edge, you know, just don't get in.
Look at that. Could have made 1,700 bucks on this. Wow.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda, brother.
So much FOMO. Mental stops? All right, there you go.
Amateur traders doing market execution right now.
Yeah, no stops. Hey, that's for me. This would have been too steep, right? Stops would have been 95 pips. FOMO knocking at the door.
Bet purpose. I mean, we also do have that 4-hour support, but we'll see.
This has been trying to get down all session, to be honest. You see, like, these attempts up, push back down, more attempts to the top side, just couldn't hold it. Yep. Pushing here. Yeah, once that 4-hour low broke, it's gone. 120 pip stops. Yikes. Yeah, I couldn't have done that. Let's see where our daily is headed. We still got plenty of room to drive, man. 23.35 is the daily target here. What happened here? Yeah. There we go. Yeah, 23.35. This support level right here, that's your daily target.
Yeah, because now we're breaking through 2360.
Yep. Yeah, that is good. Yeah, if the 1 hour can pull back, that'd be awesome. You got you close below here now. You got a clean range. Clean range that wick fills in hindsight or in sight now, and then you got this support here. But we may hit that support here. We'll see.
I think we might.
Nice job, Earl. Congratulations, man. Challenge passed. Starting a challenge today. Let's go, Pips Hunter. Did you log the L you took yesterday? Yes. Yep. Gold left, yeah. Buy gold. So John, what you got going on?
Bruh, gold, man. Triggering.
Buddy.
I don't know, man. I'm chilling, dude. If we don't get a pullback, you want to go for a walk?
Yeah, I'm down.
I gotta go to the shop though. I have an appointment with my car around like 11, so I just gotta dip by then.
Alright.
Alright. But I'll wait for this closure. See what's good.
Okie dokie. Took 50 pips on NAS. Oh, we forgot about NAS. Oh, okay. There we go. See, I told y'all, man. I
Damn.
love NASDAQ. I
No
love
topic.
NAS, baby. Come to me. Look at this. We're going to create a bottom wick here. Come on. Come to your boy. Told you guys, man. You guys are trying to count NAS out here. What's up with y'all, man?
I really have good hopes for Nat, but I don't know.
Y'all doubting NAS, man. That ain't right.
Yo, what other pair should me and Nick trade?
Give it some time, man. Give NAS some time.
We gave it enough time, bro.
Yeah, big 1 hour closure coming up. Let's get rid of this. This doesn't make sense. Not relevant anymore. Yeah, that was what a move down here. Damn. Tattoo is finally.
Oh, Monday. I forgot. Monday's a bank holiday.
We're still trading.
We ain't effing leaving.
Every day's a holiday. We will find a move on Monday. What holiday is it?
I think it's Memorial Day.
Oh yeah, Memorial Day. That's right.
That should be the holiday should be for the month, man. That's some
Yeah,
BS.
not gay pride for the month. The heck?
Let's celebrate the guys who risked their life for this country. Let's just celebrate it one day. But
We'll celebrate the guys who
Nah.
risked their life at a P. Diddy party all month. What the heck? Oh, they. Pay the fee.
Sheesh. What happened to this country, y'all?
What happened to the world? The world
happened to-
goes round and round. All right, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Hey, protect your kids, man. It's all over kids shows, and it's getting a little crazy.
Yeah, man. Please protect your kids.
P. Diddy be wanting to party, and you got to tell him no. And
You don't.
You done.
all right, can we get a closure? The world's burning. Yeah. All right, let's see.
Still got 3 minutes. Yeah, y'all be careful. The teachers in school. I don't know. I just graduated high school last year, and I can tell you right now that it's not pretty. So younger kids, I could just imagine.
I got faith. I believe God's gonna do something incredible with this next generation.
Facts.
Just wait on it. Just wait on it.
Wait on.
All right, can we get a closure below? I think if we get a close below, we may still be good to continue down here on the daily.
I agree. His daily and 4 hour just screaming bear.
Yeah, if we don't get a closure below, I'm probably just gonna call it a day here. Call it a day. What a hard day.
Facts. Sat at my desk for 4 hours. You want that closure below 55, right?
Yeah, 56, 55, whatever it is, yeah. Damn, NAS may still sell off too, but you just had a massive bleeder here. Wow. Sheesh. Look,
Not for long, Louis G.
The 9 a.m. candle is enough on any asset class to basically retire you. So if you can lock in on the 9 a.m. candles on your pairs, especially if they have anything to do with the US dollar, and you understand how to trade it properly and how to not trade it when things aren't looking like they should, you can retire very quickly.
Hell yeah, bro. And keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate it.
All right, 17 seconds. Does not look like we're going to get a closure here. No bullish closures either. So, yeah, that's probably going to do it for me today. Yep.
Maybe later on we'll get the move.
Yeah, maybe later. Maybe later. Yeah, I think that's going to wrap up today here, chat. Great live stream here today. Great questions. Good topics. Good conversation. And I hope you guys took a little bit out of it and just learned, got 1% better here today. That's what we did. We practiced discipline here today. We didn't budge on anything outside of the game plan, and that leads sometimes to no trade days, and no trade days are fine and dandy. All right.
Sure.
Yeah.
Part of the job.
Maybe they'll be
part
able
of
to
the
trade a
business.
little bit later, but I'm still gonna. These are probably gonna. I'm gonna leave these markups like throughout the next couple hours, and look for sells below 56 here. Yeah, I'll let you guys know what I'm doing in the Discord as well, but yeah, that's probably gonna be it for me.
Facts. Yeah, no trade day equals money you made, because you preserved your capital. So W.
Yes, sir. Go lace up them kicks, the Nikes, John.
Let's run it.
I need to walk this Charlie horse off.
I bet, bro. Yeah, bet. Let's run it.
All right, bet. I'll meet you in a few minutes.
All right, bet, bro. I'll give you a text.
All right,
Peace,
bet.
chat.
Bet,
Nick, thanks for having me, bro.
Bet. Later.
Thanks
bro.
for having me, brother.
Bet.
All right. See ya.
See you. Bet.
Peace. Chat. I hope you guys have a blessed day. I'll see you tomorrow for Friday. Let's get it.
Friday.
Let's run it.
All right, my
Greatness is on the way. Peace.
Peace, brother. All right, chat. Love
Peace.
y'all. Hope you guys have a great one. W's on the way out. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream on the way. Give the stream a like on the way out, and sub to the channel. We'll see you guys back here tomorrow, 6:45 a.m. Eastern. Way to exercise discipline here today, and just patiently wait. You know, don't over risk, don't over trade. If your setup comes, take it. If not, shut it down, and we'll come back tomorrow and end the week off strong. So love y'all. Hope you guys have a great day. It's all up, and enjoy the rest of your day, man. I'm out of here.
Me have to take this time, I'm pondering about this kind of love. Do I crucify for the Sunday? Do want to see the sunrise? Every time on the road, on my way to do shows. Wasn't like this before, I once used to be broke. Someone hooked me for truth. Walking your levels on God, pushing to the limit cause I never. You can set us free.
Take rest, cause the living God is living in my chest. Every day I wake up feeling blessed, and even if I don't, I see it as a test. Cause I was lost until you found me. Now I know you're all around me. Nothing I could ever do separate my love from you. You came to set us free. You came to set us free. Thankful you ain't drive me in that pit. Hey, nah. Saw my soul inside that fam and said that's it. Grace now. You never flake in the cold winter. I just came to borrow with the gold winners. Fast forward, turn to a road runner. Spirit caught me here, go get it. Shed blood, gave me lemonade on his cold Bennett. Pick me up. Always Timmy Turner, always chasing after Vicky. Took me to his fountain and gave me peace and chose to cleanse me up. Now I'm testifying of your greatness. This a different look. Go, life been hitting hard, let's take it slow. Take a walk by the river and let you flow. Cause Lord, you are all I ever want. You're all I ever want. Cause I was lost until you found me. Now I know you're all around me. Nothing I could ever do